If this is your first time making a payment from India with TransferMate, select Register a Payment. As part of the process, you will create an account for future payments. Select India from the drop-down country list and enter the tuition or housing fees exactly as stated in your offer letter. Please also select the source of your funds, either resident savings or education loan. In the declaration amount field, enter the cumulative INR value of the payer's total foreign exchange transactions made during the current financial year. This information is required as per Indian regulatory guidelines for LRS declaration. Lastly, please enter the payer's PAN number. Once you've entered the full amount to be paid, press Enter or click Next, Student Details. Here you will be presented with the various payment methods available to complete your transaction. The figure shows exactly how much you'll need to pay in your local currency, inclusive of preferential foreign exchange rates and any fees. Select the payment method you would like to use to complete the payment booking. In this example, we've selected bank transfer. Then press Next, Student Details to continue the process. You will be asked to select who is making the payment on the Student Details page. Options include student, parent of student, relative of student, or other. Additional information may be required if you're paying from a company account. Please complete all the required fields, including your student number, first and last name, and other relevant details. Once all fields have been filled with the relevant information, click the Next Confirmation button to proceed with your transaction. On the confirmation page, you will be asked to choose and confirm a password. Please ensure that you adhere to all password requirements when selecting a password. Confirmation of your payment will also create a student payment account for you, allowing you to track your payment status and make any future student payments throughout your educational journey. Once you have chosen a password that satisfies all the requirements, please read our terms and conditions. Check the box to confirm you understand them, and then click the Save and Confirm button to complete the payment booking. At this stage, you will be asked to upload required documents. Please ensure that you read all the details thoroughly and upload images of your passport's front page and address page, as well as either an invoice or an offer letter from your institution, a copy of your student visa if applicable, and your PAN card. On this page, you will also be asked to download an A2 form, which must be completed and signed by the payer and then uploaded. If you chose your source of funds as education loan earlier in the process, please also upload a detailed loan disbursement letter or equivalent document. Please note that once you have paid TransferMate to complete the transaction, you will need to return to this page and upload a copy of the transfer receipt. Once you have chosen all the relevant files, press the Upload button and wait for the upload to complete. Congratulations! Your payment has been successfully booked and your account has been created. On the Payment Details page, you will be shown the agreed-upon amount of funds you need to send to TransferMate, along with the bank transfer details required to complete the transaction. When transferring funds to the nominated TransferMate bank account, please ensure that you enter your student payment reference number and student name to avoid any payment delays. Thank you for choosing TransferMate to process your international student fees. We look forward to serving you again.